Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we have a treat with a 2018 F-150 Platinum in magnetic with black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has a 3-liter V6 engine and it's diesel. It's also a 4x4, and it has the technology package, which has park assist as well as the 360 camera. It also has a trailer tow package, and it's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows and mirrors, power folding mirrors as well, and memory for 3 drivers. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, and you have these nice leather seats that have the Platinum logo in them, as well as the stitching. Off to the side here, you have your electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights. The steering wheel has power tilt and telescoping, and there's a grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in. On the face of your steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media control with volume, and sync voice activated system. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start button. On your dash, you're going to see any important messages, as well as a menu that'll appear. We'll get in there for you. So my view, trip fuel, truck info, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center, you're seeing a little bin, as well as a B&O premium audio system badging. You have traction control, hazard lights. There's your 360 camera, so I'll just press that for you to show you, so you have a good view as you go through. We'll come back around, and you have auto stop start for less idle time. On your display screen, when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see the backup camera view, and you also have your audio that you can go into and your sources: AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. You also have your settings that you can slide through for things like Wi-Fi hotspot, and you can have multi-contour seats, as well as adjust your display if you wish. Below you have volume and tuner, as well as your CD player. And then you have dual climate control, and this is for both driver and passenger, as well as heated and cooled seats for driver and passenger. There's your fan, AC, max AC, as well as front and rear defrost. Off to the side, 4x4, and you also have your Pro Trailer backup and integrated trailer brake controller. Down in the cubby, couple USB outlets, and then you just press it in the center there, and it'll close right up, and you're seeing that nice accent on it as well. You have an automatic select shifter, as well as drive mode, and when you press this, you'll see it appear on your dash. So you have normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. And then as well, a couple of cup holders and your ambient lighting's down there. And as well, there's your assist lane keeping and your active park assist. Your armrest opens up, and inside there's a nice little bin. You take this out. There's more storage down below as well. There's a 12-volt. Off to the side, you have another 12-volt, as well as a 110 outlet, and a locking glove compartment. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror. You have your universal garage door opener, lighting controls, sunglass holder. This is the button that powers that sliding back window for you. And then you've got these covers that are on your moonroof, so if you don't want the sunlight, and I've just opened it up by pushing a button, and now I can open up the sunroof by pushing the next button. 20-inch wheels, power deployed running boards, chrome door handle with intelligent access and keyless entry keypad. Driver's side, fuel cap. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate, and your backup camera is located just below that handle. The tailgate is lockable and removable. You have the Platinum badge across the back, as well as backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When you want to open up that tailgate, you can double click your fob. It powers it open for you, and inside you've got tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. There's also a tailgate step to make it easier to get in, and that pole that you're seeing with the yellow end, you can pull that right out. That helps you get it in and out. And on your fob, you also have remote start. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Very easily lift the seat with one hand. It's in the upright position, and then pull the clip and it'll bring it right down. You have access to baby seat clips so you can tether in a baby seat. In the center there's an armrest with a couple of cup holders. On the floor is a carpeted mat that runs from one side to the other, and slim pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center, a couple of cup holders, 12 volt, 110 and USB outlets, air vents, and the controls for heated seats for the rear. There's a grab handle in the body, hooks and lighting up above, as well as that panoramic view, and in the back, access to a power sliding window. Body-colored bumper, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, quad beam headlights, halogen fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.